Have you been self-doubting yourself or your career? Do you feel lost in your career and unsure of what to do next? Are you sick and tired of the industry's limited job opportunities? If yes, then this is for you. A career is like a thrilling journey through a dense forest, filled with twists and turns and highs and lows. But like any journey, it's much easier with a guide. A mentor or coach is that guide leading the way, showing you new paths and helping you avoid pitfalls. They are the compass that keeps you on track and the map that helps you reach your destination. Without them, it's like you're lost in the woods, but with them, you'll reach your career goals and your full potential. Our mentors and coaches are internationally known for their expertise on an array of topics, including entrepreneurship, product management, product ownership, Scrum, agility, career goals, personal growth, mentoring, and career guidance. So don't wander aimlessly, take your career to new heights with Leanpitch. It's never too late for the right advice. Schedule your one-on-one coaching today.